Welcome back, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, my moon. Got a beautiful episode for you today. If you're feeling stressed out, overwhelmed, anxious, fed up with life, worried about what's gonna happen, what's not gonna happen, tired, lonely, or perhaps even joyful, just reminding you that you're not alone, that it's okay whatsoever you're going through, to not feel okay. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can come back to trust. Trust in the anxiety, trust in the worries, trust in the depression that actually is all for our benefit, even when it can't seem possible. The unfolding of life can seem so painful that it's hard to see how it could possibly be for our benefit. It's important to have faith and trust even in the dark times. So that's what we're going to do today, and see if that trust can bring more light, more understanding about why we're going through what we're going through. Getting into a comfortable position where you can be seated upright, aware of your posture, aware of your surroundings. Extending your spine so you can be upright, dropping the shoulders away from your ears, closing your eyes, bringing the attention inwards, becoming aware of how you feel. Embracing the anxiety, embracing that inner critic like an old friend, not minding the mind, but enjoying its absurdity, smiling at it, smiling at the worries, smiling at the negativity, smiling at the pain. We're going to take deep breaths in sets of 3. Inhaling 3 times, then exhaling 3 times. You can breathe from the mouth or the nose, whichever is more comfortable. But I want you to visualize that your whole body, every cell in your body is breathing, not just the chest, but the belly, the face, the hands, the feet. So once again, becoming aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat, letting the eyes be closed. You're safe to close the eyes. Tuning deeper into the sound. Taking a deep breath. And exhale. Inhaling. And full body exhaling, letting go. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhale, releasing old life, old energy. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. And exhale. Inhaling. Exhale. Following my breath. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhaling. Exhaling. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Exhale. Taking one more breath in. Hold. And exhale. Neither inhaling nor exhaling. Simply being, looking inwards, keeping the body as still as possible, with eyes closed, relaxing your belly, letting the mind be free. If your mind wants to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Relaxing the belly, pushing the belly outwards, dropping the shoulders away from your ears, relaxing your jaw, the lips, the forehead. Relaxing your eyes. Feeling your heartbeat. Taking a deep breath in. Holding the breath at the top. Holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, exhale, let go. Taking a breath in and a breath out. Full body breathes in and full body breathing out. Relaxing the face, bringing a smile, feeling your heart smiling, feeling your belly with a smile, feeling your mind smiling. Smiling at the pain inside, at the fear inside. Smiling at the love inside, at the strength inside. Becoming aware of your posture, aware of your body. As you take a deep breath in, hold, and exhale. Very nice, my friend. Way to stick with it. Way to persist with the meditation. So happy to have you joining me today. Feeling a positive energy bubbling up inside. Coming back into gratitude. Thankful for new opportunities to create, new opportunities to overcome, new opportunities to serve, new opportunities to forgive mistakes that have been made, to heal, to come back to love and trust in the unfolding of life. to say yes to life, to say yes to your emotions, to your mind, to your pain. Taking a deep breath. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhaling. Exhale. Breathing in. And exhale. Color for today is purple. The number is 14. And the animal is an elephant. Coming back into your body, letting go of past, letting go of future, feeling rooted in this moment. Remembering to smile at your pain today, to smile at the fears that circulate in the mind and body, to welcome it like an old friend and then to let it go. Coming back into the present moment, coming back into trust. Sending a big hug across time and space. Wishing you love, wishing you healing, wishing you laughter. Remember that laughter is the best medicine when you're in pain. Remember to laugh, not just at the situation that you're in, but laugh at yourself, not taking yourself so serious. See how ridiculous you are. We are all ridiculous in our own way, going about our life. In this crazy life, it's very healthy to laugh, to let go of seriousness, which can be a great dis-ease, to be too serious. I have to remind myself this every day because it's very tempting to take things really serious and feel things so important when really our joy, our love, our ability to just have fun is arguably more important than what we're doing itself. So make sure to have fun, to enjoy. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.